Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and tapping your profile icon at the top left. This jumps you straight to account controls. Next, tap the gear icon to open settings so you can find appearance options. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version because older releases hide theme controls. Once done, scroll to find app appearance or appearance settings. If you don't see it immediately, stay on the settings page and prepare to check system-wide display preferences as the next step. Now locate app appearance or theme within settings. It's often grouped with display or advanced settings. Choose dark to force dark mode, light to disable it, or match system to follow your device level theme. If your device uses an OS level dark theme, match system syncs Snapchat automatically. Make sure to tap your selection and give the app a moment to apply the change. If the option is missing, restart Snapchat and check again, because sometimes the setting appears only after a fresh launch. Finish by scanning the chat list, camera view, and profile screen to confirm dark mode applied consistently across Snapchat. If appearance didn't change, clear Snapchat's cache from settings or uninstall and reinstall the app to reset preferences. Also verify your device's OS dark mode and display settings. Match system needs OS level dark mode enabled. If problems persist, log out and back in, and ensure Snapchat has necessary permissions. This usually resolves theme sync issues quickly and gets you back to dark mode.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.